A good look at the loops and how it posts different types of content to the page, in particular posts. But what if you're in a situation where you actually want to access some of that information from the loop and then put it somewhere else? There could be an instance where you say want to list all the different titles of your posts that fall under a certain category, say. So I'm going to walk through and show you how to set that up. First, let me go to the page template, so just page.php, and I'm going to go ahead and add a little code and then explain what it does. So I'm just adding it here down at the bottom so we can see it. So right here, what I'm calling is I've created an unordered list, started the PHP tag, and what I'm saying is a $ category post. So what I want to do is get a category of posts, and one thing you probably remember is that each category, post, and page is set with an ID. So the ID of the category that I want to pull out is 1, and I put the maximum number of posts to be 10. I only have 3 posts in now, so we only see 3, but it could be good to set it to 10 for in the future when you have more than 10, you'll limit it to that amount. Next, for each category's post, so we're going to want to go ahead and go through all those posts, and then an ahref to the permalink, and then the PHP title. So what we're doing here is we're actually pulling out the title of each post within a certain category. So let me update this file, and I'm going to create a new page. Remember, when I set up the content, I set it on the page.php, which is the default template. So let me go ahead and publish. View page. And then down here in the bottom, we'll see links to all those different posts. Now we can obviously do quite a bit here. Right now I have this outside of my normal post area, so if I go back to Appearance, Editor, go down to page.php, I can then take this and move it up within my main content area. So we can see start the loop. Let me go ahead and add it just within main. Update my file. If I refresh this page, we're going to see it's now above everything. So if I wanted to display on the particular page,